In this video, we'll show you how to do keyword analysis for improved SEO. Keywords are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you provide. By understanding the words and phrases your potential customers are using, you can optimize your content to meet their needs, drive more traffic to your site, and ultimately boost your search engine rankings. Step 1. Install the Superintent extension by going to superintent.io. Click the Install Chrome extension button. You'll be redirected to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome. You can bookmark the newly installed extension for a better and faster experience. Step 2. Go to the page you wanted to analyze and click the icon on the top right side of the browser. This will then show you the metadata analysis together with other details, such as headings and keyword analysis. As you browse, our extension works in the background, providing real-time keyword analysis of any web page. The keywords are displayed in a user-friendly bubble format, making it easy to see the most frequently used words at a glance. It's as simple as that. Hover over any keyword and you'll see a precise count of how many times it appears on the page. This gives you immediate insight into the content's focus without any extra effort. Whether you're conducting SEO research, competitor analysis, or simply curious about the keywords in an article, Superintent provides you with the information you need right when you need it. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.